to develop this methodology, what we essentially did was figure out, okay, how can we build something that can be leveraged readily and easily by customers? We looked at drug pricing between 2014 and Q1 2018, and we looked at the specific trending for those drugs, and then, of course, we rolled it up to the class level as well as we looked at, especially for SNOT/SNCHD, and you'll see all this data in a little bit. But we also wanted to know, when you're looking at specific trends, what are the specific drug components that are driving those increases? And is there a specific, even deeper, is there specific components within those drugs that are also leading to the increase? So what we essentially did was, from a methodology perspective, and again, I'm putting this out here so you can think about, okay, there's a benefit to your organization as well. You know, we leveraged our internal comprehensive drug database, specifically 4 components. So one is we have a robust historical pricing for both at the HCPCS and NDC level. We also looked at our HCPCS to NDC crosswalks, our unit conversion being, you know, how many HCPCS units are in specific NDC, as well as our maximum unit, because that is a reflection of what is the maximum dose that you would expect in the majority of cases that a patient should be receiving, because that's a good indicator of potential overutilization, which then ties back to utilization management programs, as well as any other type of disease state management program you might have for a specific condition. Of course, we limited this to HCPCS that are typically covered under the medical benefit. As we go through this, you'll see there are some exceptions because there are plans who have certain products that cross over boundaries of benefit. We focused on wholesale acquisition cost and Medicare average sales price. We specifically avoided average wholesale price because a lot of plans are starting to steer away from that. And then also we excluded vaccines, nuclear pharmaceuticals, and any type of HCPCS that has been deleted by CMS from an historical perspective, and as well as any drugs that are no longer on the market. And this was done primarily to simplify the analysis for the purposes of this presentation, but these methodologies can be used as well for vaccines and nuclear pharmaceuticals.